we will do exercise 2.3 question number 1. Question number 1 is they give one is px polynomial and another polynomial gx and ask if we divide gx by px what will be the quotient and remainder. So first we have to divide. For this one px will be the dividend and gx will be the divisor. Now first we have to see the degree. Degree of px is 3 and degree of gx is 2. So what we have to do is, by which number if we multiply gx we will get px as x cube. It's simple, x square into x became x cube, so x into x square became x cube and 2 into x became 2x. We have to write it with the similar number, 2 into x, 2x. Now we have to subtract them. Subtract means we have to change the sign. This will be cancelled out and now minus 3x square and 5x plus 2x will become plus 7x. Now we have to find a number with which we will multiply x square minus 2 to get 3x square. X square to get 3x square. So it's simple, it's minus 3. We have to cancel out only one number at first. So it minus 3 into x square, 3x square and minus that will be plus. So minus 3 we will write minus that will be plus. 3 into 2 is 6. Now you have to convert the sign also and now we will have get 7x. 6 minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. So this is quotient and this is remainder. So you have to write your answer as now this is question number 2. The same thing we will do here also. We just change it. We keep x in the middle and write it like that. Now x4 and x square. So it's simple. You have to multiply it with x square. X square into x square became x to the power 4. X square into x became x cube. Here is no x cube, so we have to write it separately. We will write minus x cube here and 1 plus 1 into x square is plus x square. So what we got is we have to change the sign. Don't forget to change the sign. Minus 4x square. We got this, so we will write this one also as x cube plus x cube and then we will take 4x plus 5. Now here is x square but the largest is x cube. So we have to multiply it with x. So we will write plus x. Now x into x square will become x cube. Plus x into minus x will become minus x square. And x plus x into plus 1 will become x. Now you have to change the sign. We got minus 3x square plus 3x plus 5. Now it is 3x square. So here is x square. Simply we have to multiply with minus 3. Now we will get minus 3x square minus 3x. Sorry, minus it will be plus 3x and plus minus 3 into 1 became 3. Now we have to change the sign. 5 plus 3 we got 8. So here quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and remainder is 8. For this question, px is x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6 and gx is 2 minus x square. Now we have just converted minus x square plus 2 and x to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6. You can write it 2 minus x square, but in that case you have to think twice before multiplying. That's why we do it like that way. Now x to the power 4, it is plus, so we have to keep minus x square. Minus x square and minus x square will become x to the power 4. And 2 into minus x square will become minus 2x square. See, which number is not here, we will not write it with it and we will give some separate space for it. The sign gets changed. 2x square we got. Next is minus 5x plus 6. Now you have to multiply with minus 2. Minus 2 into minus x square will become 2x square. Minus 2 into plus 2 will become plus 4. Sorry, minus 4. In the next line we will change its sign and make it plus. Now 2x square will cancel out. Minus 5x plus 10. So quotient is minus x square minus 2 and remainder is minus 5x plus 10.